Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get Untradable player, how to exchange rewards 87 until 97 OVR mixed version player 2 players in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner, new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button, and this is the heroes exchange. So you can start with this heroes exchange. So if you need player mixed version player that had 87 until 97 OVR, you can do this exchange. Let's see the detail. You can tap the icon, guarantee reward 3 mixed version player of 87 plus. So, and if you're lucky, you can get one of these player. This is possible rewards for you. Let's get back. You have to fulfill this condition. Let's start. You need 85 plus OVR TOTY program and 86 OVR player 2 players and 81 plus OVR players 4 player, and the last one 4 player of 70 plus OVR. Confirm. So if you fulfill these conditions, this is will turn on, the exchange button will turn on. Let's tap this exchange. Let's see the players we got. Tap to open. So we got winter wildcards player from France, right wing back. I think this is Jonathan Klaus. Yes, I'm right, we got Jonathan Klaus, right wing back. And let's see the others. We got Aurelien Chouameni. He is for a defensive midfielder from Real Madrid, play for Real Madrid. Good. And the last one, right winger Domenico Berardi, play for Sassuolo in Serie A. He's very good trade. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.